Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad. Payment information required. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting. Then tap on Apple ID banner name. Then tap on media and purchase. Then tap on view account. Wait some second. Then tap on country or region. Then again tap on change country or region. Select your country, anyone. I'm selecting United States. Tap on this. Terms and condition, read carefully, then tap on agree and tap on again agree. From here you as can see payment method, credit card and debit card, PayPal, none. You make sure that tap on none, and after that fill this form. This information is fake. You have right information. Select your state. I am tap on California. Enter your zip code and enter your phone number and tap on next. And after that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.